SakaFet, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today we will be making my favorite curry chicken recipe. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's get cooking. Our chicken is nice and clean, so I'm going to transfer it into my bowl so I can marinate. Now we're going to marinate our chicken. First we're going to add 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Now we're going to mix this all together. You want to get it into the chicken. Now you're going to cover this up. I'm going to leave it for about an hour. Because it's chicken, you don't need to do the overnight thing. If you wish, you could do that. It actually gives it more flavor. These are the ingredients that we are going to use to cook our curry chicken. We have some fresh thyme, 1 habanero or scotch bonnet pepper, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 small potatoes, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. The chicken is marinated, it's ready to cook. I'm going to turn the stove on to a high heat just to get the pot hot before I add the cooking oil. The pot is hot, so now we're going to add our cooking oil and we're going to add our curry powder to that. And the cumin. So you just want to get that in the oil and just bring it to a little boil. You want to toast your curry and your cumin so you get a nice toasted flavor. It's going to release all the flavor from that curry and that cumin. Now it's all ready. We're going to add our chicken to that. So here we go. Pour it in. Stir it up. As you're stirring, you can add just a bit of water so you don't get it burning at the bottom. Just a bit. Keep it dry, so you just add that. And just let all those spices come together. You want to cover it just for a couple minutes, just so it just makes a little juice and a little steam. Now turn our heat down to about a medium, just lower it a bit. You want to keep checking. So as you can see, it's really nice. So it's been cooking like that for about 5 minutes. You want to open it up and give it another stir. At this point, you want to add your onions. So we're going to pour the onions in and the garlic. Put a little bit of water in, just a bit. You don't want it burning. We're going to put our cover on again and just leave it for a couple minutes. So we're checking. Now we give it another stir. And now we can add our water. 2 cups. Just to cover it. Going to add our thyme, fresh thyme. Our chicken bouillon. Now I would recommend putting half the amount of the bouillon now, and then you can taste once it's almost cooked. You can taste to see how much salt is in there. And now we are going to cover it and bring it to a boil, and then we can turn it down. So we put it back on a high heat and bring it to a boil. And once it starts boiling, then we're going to turn it down to about a medium heat. Our chicken has been cooking now for 20 minutes. You want to add your potatoes in now. And that helps to thicken the sauce, so it's not so watery. And also we're going to add our pepper. Now I'm going to do a taste test to see if I need to put that extra bouillon. I'm going to take a little bit of that sauce. I think it's salt enough. I'm going to leave the rest of the bouillon out of it, and we're just going to cover that and let it cook. About another 20 minutes and it should be done. Our chicken has been cooking for a total of about 45 minutes, and you can see it's soft, so now it's well cooked. If you don't like too much sauce, at this point you can leave it uncovered and just let it simmer down to reduce some of the sauce. But we like the sauce because we want to put it over some rice. So at this point I'm going to just turn it off and let it sit for a couple minutes, and then I can plate it. And here you have it, our finished curry chicken. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.